Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the gummy bee. This special event bee is a fantastic addition to any hive, offering unique abilities and boosting your honey production significantly. Many players consider it one of the best bees in the game. Unlocking it involves a focused effort to gather a specific resource. The core requirement for the gummy bee is collecting 2,500 gumdrops. These sticky treats can be found by defeating various creatures across the map or by popping gummy sprouts, which are rare but very rewarding. You can also purchase them from the gumdrop dispenser, trading 1 ticket for 3 gumdrops. For a big boost, try defeating the stump snail, which can drop a massive amount. With your 2,500 gumdrops in hand, head to the gummy bear. This character is usually situated near the 20B zone, accessible after completing certain challenges. Present your gumdrops to the gummy bear, and you will receive a gummy bee egg. This special egg guarantees you a gummy bee, a powerful addition to your hive that excels at collecting goo and pollen. The gummy bee brings numerous advantages to your hive. It's particularly effective at generating and collecting goo, which is vital for completing various quests. Its abilities also provide a substantial boost to your honey income. Beyond the bee itself, you can explore other powerful gummy-themed tools, such as the gummy baller, and engage in gummy bears quests for even more sticky rewards and progress.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.